Hello viewers, this is me from the Fix Netflix YouTube channel, and today I will show you how to fix it when a PS4 controller won't connect to the PS4. So before we start, please like and subscribe to the channel, and please share this video with your friends so they can get benefit from this channel. So let's start. What is the reason or what is the causes for the PS4 controller not connections? Sync issues represent the most common reason that PS4 controller fail to the connect. The controller may become desynced on its own, or someone may have synced it with a different console or devices. In some cases, a firmware issues with the controller may even prevent it from the syncing up correctly. So now we are going to show you how to fix the problem if your controller won't connect to the PS4. The wireless connection is faulty. Connect to controller via USB. Your first step should be to connect the controller using the micro USB cable that is usually used to charge it. So try this step. Firstly, turn on the PS4. Ensure the cable is securely inserted in the back of the PS4, and then plug the other end into the controller. And wait 30 to 60 minutes to allow the controller to charge, and then press the PS button on the controller and you will hear a beep sound on the controller should pair with the console. So if the controller and the PS4 don't pair, the cable might be faulty. Use a different micro USB cable and try again, waiting for the controller to charge before you attempt to pair the controller. So if that does not work, continue to the next step. Your wireless battery is dead or low. Charge the battery, and so if you have a low or empty battery, you may not be able to turn your controller on. Leave the cable plugged into it so it can charge. Generally it will take about 2 hours to charge an empty battery. If charging the battery did not work for you, and continue to the next step. In some cases you will discover that your battery loses its charge quickly, and it may be time to get the new controller. Your controller is not synced with your console. So sync your controller. If the controller is not synced and it won't connect to your console, try the steps to sync your controller wirelessly or with the USB cable. If that does not work, continue to the next steps. Your controller has too many active connections. Disconnect your controller from the other devices. If you connected your controller to your Windows computer, remove it from the connections list on your computer. For example, if you have a controller Bluetooth paired with your Windows 10 computer, your computer might be accessing your controller and preventing your console from making that connections. So alternately, you can turn Bluetooth on the devices off, and if you are still experiencing these same issues, continue to the next steps. Other Bluetooth devices are causing the interference. So you will know to take these steps if your controller will turn on but the LED light indicates that it won't connect. So keep your controller close to your console or remove the other devices that operates on the Bluetooth frequencies. If that does not solve your problem, please continue to the next steps. To do this, turn off your console and the controller, then using a paper clip or something similar, push the button located inside the small hole on the back of your controller next to the L2 button and keep it pressed for about 5 seconds. Turn your PS4 back on and then press the PS button on your controller. You should hear a beep to confirm that it's connected to the consoles. If you are still experiencing the connection issues, you may want to try the connections your controller to the different console to see if it works. If that does not work, you will have to talk to the PlayStation support team for the further assistance.